Since the beginning of 2022, most of the leaks regarding Samsung's upcoming foldable phones were centered around the more high-end Galaxy Z Fold 4. Just recently, however, we got a pretty meaty leak on Twitter by a reliable tipster going by the name Yogesh Brar. Brar shared an elaborate full list of specs for the Galaxy Z Flip 4, including those for its cameras. According to said list, the Z Flip 4 would come with the same 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel selfie snapper as that of its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Previously, some vague rumors stated that we might see a triple camera array on the Z Flip in 2022, but that was considered unlikely, and now even more so. There were also talks that maybe we would see the same under-display camera tech that the Z Fold model is rocking, but that also seems unlikely. Now we still don't know a lot about the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and its cameras, and there is still a chance that it might feature some upgrades in that regard. For example, the brand new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset that's said to come inside the Flip 4 might offer some AI and other software improvements that would make the model superior compared to the Flip 3. Keep in mind that some rumors say Samsung might decrease the price for its new foldables ever so slightly this year, which could explain the company cutting some corners with the camera system for the less expensive model. How many cameras does the new Galaxy Z Flip have? The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is expected to have two cameras, a main and an ultra-wide. There will also be one selfie shooter. Currently, the information is pointing at the same type of setup seen on the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which had decent cameras at best. As mentioned, Samsung's more budget-friendly foldable is rumored to come with the same cameras found on its predecessor, the Z Flip 3. In other words, that means a 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixel front-facing snapper with a punch-hole design. Stream of leaks for the Galaxy Z Flip 4 has only recently started to flow, with the latest revealing what is supposed to be a full spec sheet. That means that we also have some information on the Z Flip 4's camera system, for which there was basically no word mentioned anywhere up until now. What this alleged spec sheet shows us is a little less noteworthy than one would expect. Unlike its more pricier sibling, the Galaxy Z Fold 4, the Flip 4 is not set to come with any hardware improvements when it comes to its cameras, at least based on this supposed spec sheet. Samsung is preparing to launch the Galaxy Z Flip 4 this summer, and so far we have gathered several bits of the spec sheet. We expect a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, smaller crease and a new hinge, as well as a larger cover screen. The latest details comes from Sam Mobile stating the new foldable will have a 512 GB storage option. This would be the first time Samsung put so much storage in its clamshell smartphone. All three previous iterations maxed out at 256 GB. The source also confirms there will be no microSD slot, which is hardly a surprise since all the predecessors skipped on the card slot. The new storage option on the Flip 4 will naturally come with a higher price tag, tipped to be a $1,100. The base price should remain at $1,000, though previously we heard that Galaxy Z Fold 4 will also get an extra spacious version with 1 TB storage. Currently, there are no camera upgrades said to come with the new Galaxy Z Flip 4. There is still more or less 2 months until the expected announcement date. However, in which time new information may come out saying otherwise, we will regularly be updating this. So you can check here every now and then to find out if there are any potential surprises. The truth of the matter is that the Galaxy Z Flip has never been a phone meant for a great photo and video performance, so the lack of upgrades in that department carries slightly less disappointment. If you are looking for a good camera experience, it would probably be better to divert your attention to one of Samsung's S series, or if money is not an issue, then Galaxy Z Fold 4.